morning. It's Thursday. We're going home today. You don't want to go, do we, Mika? You don't want to go. It's, my watch is on the other hand, 6:24 in the morning. It rained so much in the night. Did you hear it, baby? So loud rain, it was insane. Suitcases are mostly packed apart from what Aria, Ben and Fox are wearing in bed at the moment, and they're just going to go in. And then we've just got hand luggagey bits to sort. There's so much stuff to recycle here and we don't know where to put it. Like, there's like the lady didn't leave us a bin out or anything, and then I asked where we should put the recycling, so she brought me a blue bin out on Monday. It's Thursday today, and that one's been full since Monday, and they haven't emptied it and we don't know where to put it. So it's like, oh, I feel really bad because there's loads of recycling. But yeah, so we're just gonna have to eat the food that we've got left, and we've just got mostly cereal and stuff and some yogurts for breakfast. And then we are heading out of here. I think we're leaving here around about 9. Ferry for 10. Ferry leaves at 11. Should arrive in Vancouver at 12:30. And then we've got a couple of hours to kill. If Fox falls asleep on the boat, then we're gonna eat in Vancouver. If he doesn't sleep on the boat, we're gonna eat on the boat. And then we have to be at the airport at 3:30, so not the biggest rush, but it all really depends on the ferry. Carol, Ben's family lady, told us that they're cancelling loads of ferries from Schwartz Bay at the moment, so if they cancel our ferry and we can't get back, I'm not entirely sure what we do. So stay in Canada. Mika looks very excited at that prospect. So yeah, I will take you along for the day when everyone else is awake. Hey, we're now waiting for the ferry.
It's done.
What's that sassy face, sorry? So we're now waiting for the ferry. We don't leave for like another hour, but you just have to sit in your car and wait. And yeah, it's a bit boring. Ben's gone over to the restaurant over there to get coffee, and yeah, we're all packed. We don't want to go away.
Yeah.
We're not moving yet.
I can see another boat.
Soon, hopefully.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm aware that you've just chucked milk on me, thank you. I do want that before a 9.5 hour flight.
Hello.
You are disgusting. No, you were going to go on the naughty step.
No.
Hey, it's Saturday. We are back in England. I didn't film too much yesterday when we were coming home because we all ended up being awake for like 27 hours or something, me and Ben did. Because neither of us slept on the plane. The flight was okay. It was a bit bumpy, so I was having like major anxiety, but nothing too bad. The kids were all amazing. Fox did really well. The girls managed to get a few hours sleep each. We got to Heathrow and like had the longest walk back to get baggage claim, and like the kids were happy, and like all okay. We got to the border, showed the man our passports, all good. And just as he handed me back the passports, Ari puked on the floor. Just water, but she threw up. And then as we stepped over, like, around the border bit, she threw up again like 3 more times. So then she had to sit, while we were in baggage claim, she had to sit with her head in a bag. Bless her. And we think it's just travel sick, because she does get travel sick anyway. And we have the tablets, we have the wristbands, we have the patches behind her ear, we try everything. I think she was just a bit overwhelmed. And it was really, really hot at Heathrow. And she hadn't eaten very much, and she'd had some water, and I think the water had probably just been sat in her bottle a bit long. And yeah, so, and then I had to drive back from Heathrow, which was like 3 hours. We didn't get home until nearly 6. We landed at 11 o'clock or something like that in the morning. So it was a really, really long fucking day. Like, we kept having to stop for me to try and wake up. We're stopping like every sort of half an hour, 20 minutes to like eat something and have like energy drinks and just try and force myself to wake up a bit. And then I made myself stay awake until 9 last night. And then I slept from 9 until 3, and then I was just awake from 3 o'clock. Aria woke up at 3 and she was awake till like 4:30, and then she fell back to sleep and she didn't get up until 11. Ben's outside fixing something. I don't fucking know what he's fixing something outside. So yeah, Mika got up at 6, so I went downstairs with her at 6. Ben is just being extra creepy. I'm unsure what's happening. The kids are all playing outside. What are you doing?
Everyone woke up and said enough of that. Nice refreshing sleep. I've watched the football for the Vengie. Feel fine, yeah, boy.
Oh. There you go, so that's Ben. Yeah, Mika woke up at like 6, and I obviously couldn't let her go downstairs by herself. And well, I probably could, I just don't feel like I should do that. So I got up with her and sat downstairs. Ben and Fox got up at about 8:30, so then I went back upstairs, got back in bed, and Aria was in my bed. And I think I fell asleep at 9:30, and I woke up at 10:30. So I've had about 7 hours sleep, but that is over 2 days. So I'm fucking knackered. I'm gonna make myself stay awake tonight though. I'm gonna stay awake until at least 9. I'm now cooking the kids some dinner. Ben's just been out and bought me a coffee machine. I did have one of these, but then he cleared the shed out. When we moved, we got the new shed. He cleared it out and he put my one of these on the climbing frame while he was cleaning it out. And I didn't know, because you obviously can't see the other side of the climbing frame from the house, and I didn't know it was out there, and he left it out there for like 3 weeks in the rain. So I've just made him go and buy me a new one, because I use these on holiday all the time. Like every single morning I literally got up and made myself a pot of coffee, and I loved having it. I really, really liked it. So he's just went and bought me this from Sainsbury's. We had Asda delivery come last night. We were in the house for like 12 minutes or something, and Asda turned up, so we were really lucky we didn't miss the delivery. Still got stuff here. Like we've got these for the mums. My brother wanted these popcorn things. I brought some spices back. I got this is like a chicken soup base. I brought that back. I brought some blue Doritos back. We brought so much stuff back, it's ridiculous. Right, look, 4 bags of Cheetos, Twizzlers. I got these for the fridge. They're like stop your fridge being stinky. The last day we were there, or the day before we were leaving, we went to the Real Canadian Superstore, and as we were coming out, this woman just plonked a box like this size, like I've got my coffee maker box, but like this size box, just full of snacks in our trolley, and was like, you have that for your kids. And I think it was like a deal they had on, like if you spent a certain amount, or if you had points with a card or something, you got this huge thing of snacks. And it literally had like, that's like the biggest packet of cookies ever. It had some Nutter Butters in, these ones, some Cheez-Its, 2 packets of these. Had to say, oh hi Gary, hi Guy. Oh, Gary's changed colour as well, look. Since we went away, Gary's got like a ginger ring. That sounds awful, but he's got a ginger ring around him, can you see it? He didn't have that when we left, so Gary's now got a ginger ring. And Ben is trying to convince the kids that the house sitter has swapped him with a different cat, but it's the same cat, he's just matured. But yeah, this woman literally gave us this huge thing of snacks. It also had Ritz crackers in it and Oreos, but we left those unopened in the house that we stayed in because we can obviously get those here. But yeah, I got this as well, flaming hot Cheeto mac and cheese. It's gonna be fucking rank, but I'm going to have it. Ben got his chips and mini cookies. Yeah, so we brought loads of stuff back with us. I bought Ziploc bags back, which is just like these sandwich bags, Ziploc sandwich bags. They're like $4 for 90. That's insane. Like over here, you get like 20 for £3. It's ridiculous. So yeah, we got them. Nearly done all my washing. We only had one load of washing, but obviously had the bed that the lady slept in. She stripped that down, so I had that to do. And I'd stripped our bed the day that we left, so I had 2 lots of bedding washing to do. But I'm now about to do that. But yeah, parents are coming over tomorrow. Yocky Dog's coming back tomorrow, which the girls are really excited to see him. I think the cats are going to be annoyed because they're not going to be allowed in the living room again. Because Bandit still hates Rocky. Look, can you see it? They've got the orange around him. Just all the way around here. Oh my guy boy. I was really worried when we came home. Like, they were really skittish because obviously they've not had kids in the house for 2 weeks. We haven't had them the longest time. We've only had them since September. And Binksy cat is obviously Velcro cat. And like, he was really skittish. And I was like, oh my God, he doesn't love me anymore. And then as soon as the kids went to bed, and I sat in my bed last night, he literally just came and sat on my shoulder and just slept on me all night. It was lovely. Yeah, he literally slept on my shoulder from like 9 o'clock until 3 AM. It was lush. So he does still love his mummy, and then he's been super clingy today, which is amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm not sure when the next vlog will be, but I've got loads of stuff to unbox. Look, I've got a Degusta box, witch casket, a rocker box, and a glossy box to undo. So I will do those hopefully tomorrow. I might get my mum involved because she likes doing unboxings. But yeah, I feel like that's all I've got to say. Thanks so much for watching the videos while we were away. It means a lot. I didn't think anyone's going to watch them. I literally did them for my mum and for Ben's parents because they like seeing what the kids are doing. So having other people watch them is really lovely. Yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.